Today, take a look at the Samsers folding wireless keyboard. So it comes with a carrying pouch, and here is the keyboard. It's got kind of a nice, almost a leather-looking case, and we can see that unfolds to reveal what looks like a full-size keyboard, and you can't even really see the seam in the keys. It's kind of nice, kind of interesting. So as this unfolds, you can see right now it is pushed to the sides, but when we unfold it, it takes up the full space of the keyboard. So in going around that bend, they actually thought of that. And that way we also don't have our joints exposed in the back. Now, one thing that makes this one stand out is that it also has a touchpad. So I've used foldable keyboards like this before. I think that they're fantastic, but I've yet to see one that actually has a touchpad built in. So that way we can use this, we can actually control everything. So if we're trying to control our infotainment system on our car or something like that, we don't have to have the keyboard as well as a mouse. We got everything built in right here. On the top, we got a USB-C charging port, and we've got a mechanical power switch. So you got Bluetooth 1, 2, and 3, so it can connect to 3 different devices. So let's switch to 3. And we can see that lights up to let us know that it is activated. And it looks like we also have a backlit keyboard. So if you're like me and you like working during the night, that is a very nice option to have. We do have our user manual. And we got our fold-up phone rest. We got a little pad right there, just a spot that we can set up our phone if we want to prop that up. And it looks like we got our charging cable. So that is USB-A to USB-C. Not too bad. So if you plan on doing work on your phone, we got that as an option. Alright, so the laptop is booted up. We're going to turn it on. And I'm going to hold 1 to put in the pairing state for Bluetooth number 1. So that's channel number 1. Okay, the light is flashing, so we are in pairing mode. Go to Bluetooth, add Bluetooth device, and add device. There we go. So it's showing us a Samsers KT06X. Okay, and ready to go. So now, yeah, touchpad does work. If I right click works. I also like that the right click actually has a click to it. So it feels more like a mechanical button. Yeah, that feels like a keyboard. It feels actually somewhat like a mechanical keyboard. It doesn't feel like all mushy like you would expect out of a membrane keyboard. So overall, if you're looking for a keyboard that you can easily pack up, that is going to be an excellent option for that.